Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Courtney Lynn. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing the final Christmas decorating of our home. Here in our living room, we finally got our tree, so I'm gonna be showing some of that decor going up. Also, I'm gonna be making this Ritz Crackers Thin Mint little Christmassy treat, so stick around for that. Let's get going, guys. So first things first, for this video today, we're going to be repurposing this yellow and blue cake platter that we had. We really didn't have a use for it. How it looked right now, it was pretty springy. So we just decided that we would throw some of this metallic gold spray paint on it and use it for Christmas time. So we're going to be using it for the little Christmas treat that we'll be making here in just a few. But this gold metallic spray paint, it does have the small hint of sparkle, but it's not too overbearing. It's just really subtle. We ended up doing 3 coats on it, and after it dried, we put a clear glossy coat over the top of it, and it turned out really, really nice. So I'll show you that here in just a few minutes when it's all dried. So now I'm going to begin making this really easy Christmas treat. All I needed was some Ritz crackers, this mint fudge flavored baking chunks, and then sprinkles are optional. So I'm going to melt down this chocolate in the microwave, and I'm laying out some parchment paper to lay out the Ritz crackers once they've been dipped. So I put the baking chunks in the microwave for a few minutes and then took them out, stirred them, put them back in until it was pretty melted. And then I added about a tablespoon of vegetable oil to give it a little bit of a thinner consistency. Then I just put one of the Ritz crackers into the chocolate, made sure it was completely covered, and then I'm using this candy melt spoon by Wilton to scoop them out, and it just helps all of the extra chocolate to fall back into the bowl. And then once I got a few done, I went ahead and topped it with some green and gold sprinkles. And that is seriously it. You just have to wait for the chocolate to harden up, but this is seriously the easiest thing. And I love having little things like this around the house at the holidays that you can just pick up and eat them really easy. We're having a lot of company coming for the holidays, and these things will be nice to have just for them to be able to grab a quick snack. So after the chocolate had hardened, I'm just putting these on a platter, and I am taking all of the excess chocolate that is around the edges. I'm just taking that off so they look a little bit better. And now I'm going to be using our brand new cake platter that I just spray painted. I thought it turned out very, very beautiful, and I know it'll get a lot more uses being gold than the yellow and blue would have. But anyway, here's the very easy Christmas treat, Ritz Thin Mint cookies. They're so delicious. All right, now it's time to decorate our mantle, and I'm going to be showing you guys step by step of what we did. So I'm using this rectangle vase we have here with some of these gold sprigs that do light up, and a Merry Christmas ornament that we just put on the front of the rectangle vase. And then my mom made this with her silhouette machine a few years ago. She added this saying to this plate that we had. It says, "Our family is built on a stable foundation." And then this golden vase that we had, and this beautiful bow that my grandma made to go with it. And now we're just adding some of our garland that we have, and we'll be putting some stuff in it to spruce it up a little bit. So So I thought it would be pretty to have, you know, some ribbon or some tooling looking like it was wrapped all around the garland. So I took smaller pieces that I had cut and I kind of puffed it up to look like it was wrapped around the garland, but in fact it was just little pieces that are attached. But this tooling is very pretty, and you'll be able to see it a little bit better how it sparkles in the light. At the end, I'll show you a close-up of that. But I just continued to do small little pieces all around the garland, spreading them out evenly from each other. And then got a little distracted and started going on to stockings, but we're just putting our stockings up with push pins. And we did put tissue paper in our stockings. We do this every year because if we put anything in our stockings, you know, any candy or anything, it will melt by our fireplace. So we only put those things in there on Christmas morning, but the tissue paper helps them to not look empty. And then I'm adding this golden deer that we've had for a few years now. And then I'm placing some of these little sprigs that we have to go in our garland. And then I'm going to be intertwining some of our flocked Christmas tree clippings that we had left over. We're intertwining it into our garland to make it look like it goes there so that our garland will match our Christmas tree. So we have these three little gift box sets for decorations. As you can see, it's 3-tiered, and then we just wrap it with some ribbon. And we've had these seriously for years, and we love putting each set on both sides of the fireplace. Okay, now there was glitter on everything, and I took our little cordless vacuum and I'm vacuuming all the glitter up, and I'm using this Febreze fabric spray in the cranberry scent. It smells really, really good. And yes, I did change my clothes because I had to finish up this video at a different time. So yes, I did have an outfit change for those of you who noticed that. And I love our cordless vacuum so much. I don't know how we lived without cordless vacuums before now. And now you get to see the satisfying part of the vacuum picking up all the flocking, because if you have a real Christmas tree that's flocked, you will know exactly what I'm talking about when I say that flocking literally gets everywhere. And it doesn't just like come out of the carpet like immediately. Sometimes it gets like stuck in the carpet and you have to vacuum over it a couple times, but hey. The tree is beautiful, and we'll vacuum up all the pieces of flocking that we need to because we love the flocked Christmas tree look. Alright, and here is the final results of our living room with the lights all dim and everything close up. I really had a lot of fun decorating our home for Christmas this year and helping my mom out. She really is the reason why I love decorating. She has instilled that in me and she's just passed it on. But everything that I do, I run by her, and she bounces ideas off of me and I bounce ideas off of her, and together we try to make things look as best as possible. But we were really happy with how our home turned out for this season, and we had so much fun doing it all together. did not have a tree skirt this year. This is our first year having a tree collar instead of a tree skirt. And we got this tree collar at Big Lots for a great deal. And I love the tree collar look more than I ever liked the tree skirt look. And each of us kids have our very first ornaments on the tree. And my parents have their just married ornament on there. And also we have ornaments from a lot of the places that we've been to in our travels. And my mom did add these names onto our stockings with her silhouette machine. She's really good at doing stuff like this. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I have had so much fun showing you guys all of our home decor in these past few weeks, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you have felt motivated and inspired, and something that I've done maybe encouraged you in this holiday season. I'm very, very excited for Christmas to come next week and all of the wonderful things and feelings that it brings with it. I'm also very excited for the new year, and I'm looking forward to creating new goals and hopefully seeing them come to pass. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.